Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to enable notifications for events on Facebook using your PC. Staying updated about upcoming events is crucial, whether it's a friend's birthday party or a concert you've been waiting for. Let's dive right into the simple steps to ensure you never miss an event again. First, open facebook.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various options. Now, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the Notifications section. Click on it to explore your notification preferences. Here, you'll see a variety of options for different types of notifications, including comments, tags, and more. Scroll down until you find the Events option. Click on Events to manage your event notifications. Once you're in the Events section, look for the option that says Allow Notifications on Facebook. Toggle this switch to the On position. This will ensure that you receive notifications about upcoming events, event invitations, and any updates related to events you're interested in. By enabling these notifications, you'll stay informed about important details like time changes, reminders, and event updates. Whether you're interested in all events you're invited to, or specific updates related to your events, Facebook will keep you updated. Enabling event notifications is not just about staying informed. It's also about ensuring you never miss out on the fun. Imagine being able to plan ahead for a concert or a birthday party without having to constantly check your Facebook feed. With these notifications, you'll be the first to know when something new happens. So, take these simple steps today and stay connected with your social calendar. Don't let important events slip through the cracks. Enable your Facebook event notifications now and enjoy staying updated on everything that matters to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.